Hello, good evening. You are most welcome in Saurabh sir, Dr. Saurabh sir classes. And today class we will solve a question of CSIR net chemical science. Topic of the question is the nuclear chemistry. Nuclear chemistry, that is the bombardment of the reaction. Bombardment reaction. Now, what is the question? Question is the an element. Element A, atomic mass is 27 and number is 13, is bombarded with 2 alpha particles to give B product with the emission of a neutron. With the emission of a neutron, the element B is what will be the element B after the bombarding of alpha particles on an element A. And there are the four options 1, 2, 3 and 4. B. B is the product 30 atomic mass number, 15 atomic number, 35 mass number, atomic mass, like that. Now solve this question. So according to the question, we can solve it with the help of the two steps. Number one is the write the nuclear reaction. According to our question, first we have to write the nuclear reaction. According to our question, element A bombarded with 2 alpha particles. Alpha particles is a 4 atomic mass and 2 atomic number. 2 alpha particles, put the value 2 here. And after the bombarding these alpha particles on the element A, we will get a product B. So what will be the product B? Our question is that. And emission of the one neutron. Neutron has a 1 mass number, atomic mass, and there is no atomic number. Right? Now, as per the very important rule of the nuclear chemistry, there is the mass number and atomic number. Mass number A and atomic number Z always conserved in the reaction. Always conserved in the reaction. And applying this rule on this reaction and calculate the mass number and atomic number of the reaction. That is the balance the mass number and balance the atomic number. In step 2, balance the mass number A. As per our reaction, mass number of the element A is 27. Then we will write the 27. And mass number of the alpha particle is 4. We will write the 4. And number of the alpha particle is 2. That is the multiply with 2. And is equal to the mass number of the right hand side product. Right hand side only one, that is the beta and neutron. So left hand side mass number is the 35, 27, 4 into 8 is equal to the 35. And balance this equation with the number of neutron. 35 is the left hand side mass number, and right hand side mass number is the only one. And AB, that means the atomic mass of the product B is 34. That is the 35 minus 1. We will get the 34 of the mass of B. Now balance the atomic number. So what is the atomic number of the left hand side? 13. And alpha has a 2 atomic number. There are 2 alpha particles, multiply by 2. Then we will get the 13 plus 4 is equal to 17. Now get the mass number of the B similar to the atomic mass. The atomic number is the alpha particle 13 and the 17. There is no atomic number of the neutron. Mass and atomic number of the B is 34 and 17. Then we will write answer is the B is equal to 34 upon 70. To match with our options, the option third option Third is a correct answer. Is a correct answer. It is a part of the nuclear chemistry. Thank you.